All right, I said you should what? Type newsletter. Then when you type newsletter, it will be at the news. Okay, newsletter. Newsletter, right? Am I correct? Then I say you should press enter key twice so that I can give space because this one is going to be headline. Do you get the point now? So another thing you do now, type say understanding the symptoms. Understanding the symptoms. Okay, sorry. Before that, I will first of all type women's the women menstrual cycle. That is what you want to it's your article. That is the article. That is the news you want to about women. For instance, I just organize a topic from my head, so you can just by the time you do this one first of all, you now go and search for news. You now do the news. So then understanding the symptoms. Understanding the symptoms. All right. So now enter key. Now the symptoms. I want to put the symptoms now. Symptom number 1. So to understand the symptoms of what women menstrual cycle. So 1, I said it should be what? Ovulation period. Ovulation period. Ovulation period. Period. Okay. Am I correct? 2. Then after ovulation period, before ovulation period, after ovulation period, then during ovulation period, menstruation during ovulation period or menstruation or whatever, something like that. Ovulation period. All right. So now let me edit them. I want to edit them immediately. So right click and we need to choose the correct ones. Share now. Right click and we need to choose the correct ones. So when you are typing, there will be mistakes, but you already know how to edit. Don't mind this. Ovulation. Okay. Then now let's design this headline first. Press enter key twice. I'll press enter key, then press backspace, then enter key, then equals to 1, 2, 3, enter key to give you this line. 1, 2, 3, enter key should give you this line. And that is equals to you press it 3 times. Undo. Let me delete it. Then let me press minus. Minus 1, 2, 3, enter key. It give me single line. Do you get the point now? Single line. But I would like to use double line 1, 2, 3 by pressing equals to. Are we there? So now let's first of all design this place. Before we now design so this is headline of the newsletter. This is headline. So now I'll bring this one. I say Control E to align center. I'm setting it now. Then I'm formatting it at the same time. Control Shift greater than sign to increase. Control B to bold. Are we there? Then this one, I will say what? Control Shift greater than sign to increase. Then Control B to bold. Control I for italics. Then this one, I will increase it a bit. Control Shift greater than sign to increase. Are you learning the shortcut? You have written it in your notes. All right. So Control I for italics. Are you there now? So this is the headline. So now this one, I want to give a color. I'll go back home, then I'll come to home. You see, I can give this color, right? This color, this normal font color. Eh? But this time around now, I want to give a background color, which is called highlight color. See the highlight color. So when you click it, so the highlight color also have different color that you can choose. Any color of your choice. But you must what? Select it. You must select it like this. Is either you choose it and select it, or use select the text and apply it. Do you get the point now? So now I want to change the font name. Let me change the font name. I'll come to home, under home, I'll choose font name. Then let me choose either black. So let's say that black will be more bold. Then I want each letter to be different. Okay, let me choose color for this one. I want it to be ash color. Ash. Can you see that now? So now I want this one to be black, this letter to be black, black. Then I want this letter to be white, white. Then I want this one to be red. Then I want this one to be yellow. Or let me choose news. Let me choose okay. Okay. Then this one can now be yellow. This one will be black too. Let me choose this one black too. Then let me now choose this one yellow. So this is creativity and its design. So you understand that now. It's creativity and its design. So this one, this other thing could be another color. This then this one could be another color, and this one could be another color. Let me just use white for that. Okay. So you understand now. You're trying to design. All right. Now let me give you background color so that you can see the picture of the design. So I'll come to what? Page layout or design. Under design, I come to page color. Under page color, let me choose any of the page color. I want a lighter one. So, okay. No, I think that one is too thick. Okay, I choose this one. All right. So now this one, I like it in black. I like all these ones in black too. Do you get the point now? Then I want to put picture here. Then I will now come to insert because it should be woman picture because I'm talking about a woman. I'm talking about a woman. So I'll come to insert picture, another picture. Let me see if I have a woman's picture here. Then pictures. Let me begin to scroll, 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 scroll. I don't know if it's there, I'm just searching. Okay, I'm just searching. So if it's not there, I can download, right? Okay, I can. There's one here, but the person is very uniform. It's not good that I use that. So you know what I will do? I can quickly go to what? To internet because internet is part of the training, so you must know how to source for how will I put it? You must know how to source for two can I say documents or tools, something you need to carry out your project. So internet, going on internet, the internet is also one of it. So you learn one new thing on the internet now. Though there's a training about internet techniques which you are still going to learn. It's part of your course. So I come here, then I'll come here, then I'll say, let me say ladies images. So now you can say .png. If you say .png, it means the images will not have background. See yourself now. It means the images will not have what? Background. If you say .png. But if you don't say for .png, the images will have background. The images will have background. So, but if the images have background, if the image has background, you can as well remove it from what is it called? Remove background. You can as well remove it from remove background. We're on the internet now. See yourself now. So type remove .bg. Remove .bg. See it here. Remove .bg. So let's click on it now. Remove .bg. So here, if any picture at all that you want it to have transparent background, you want to remove the background, you do it here. But now let's come to this place to look for pictures. See pictures now. So let's select this one. So this one may probably have images. I think I like this one. I think I like this one. It may probably have background. So let's save it. I right click on it, right? I right click on it to save. Then businesswoman, okay, I'll save it and under download businesswoman. Oh yeah, let me come to Microsoft Word and use it. You see that it has background. Let me come to Microsoft Word and use it. What will I do? I'll click on insert picture. Then let me go to download. Download. See the picture here. Where is it? Or is it not downloaded? Is it not download? Women. Let me go to women. Is it not downloaded? We even have picture set, but I like that other picture. So let's go back there and see why it's not downloaded. Right click, save image as. It's downloaded. Under what? Under download. It's downloaded. Business, okay, business. Yeah, let's go back there to Microsoft Word. Can you see the manipulation? Can you see the movement? So insert pictures, another pictures, and say business. Say business. Business. Amen. Or let me scroll there. And it's showing there that the picture is there. So I don't know. Let me come here and see all pictures or files. Okay. Aha. See it here. Then insert. I think this one it does not, because I type PNG, this one does not have background. Because I type what? PNG. Then if you insert picture, what does say you should do? If you insert picture, what does say you should do? No reduce. How did you place your picture in that place? The picture should not supposed to move. You test wrap. Click on wrap text. They say in front of text. That is only when you can now move the picture and reduce the picture. So now this picture is facing another place. This picture is facing another place. So I want you to face here. So what do you think I will do? I will click and drag this side like this. Can you see that? So now bring it down here. Now let's reduce size small. So are you doing something reasonable now? It's making sense, have you? So it should not pass that line. I don't want it to pass that line. Let me use my arrow to bring it. Okay. Are we good to go? If you make something reasonable, let me go and teach you if the thing has background. If it has background, how do you remove the background? It may be your own picture too that they have already snapped, and you now want to remove that background. And maybe in a wogo background where you don't like, you just don't like the background. You just want to change background or remove the background. So now let's go back to this place. Let's go back to this place. We say no. Yeah. We say dot png. Now I'll remove it from dot png. Dot png means portable network graphics. It should not have background. But now this one now will have background. This one now will have background. So this one now will have what? Will have background. Then if it now has background, so how do you remove it? Also, if you have background, you may not like it when you place it on your when you place it. See now, this image you see, it now has background. So let me see the one I can use, single one. Okay, look at this one, or look at this one, eh? Or look at this one. So now let's use this one, Abi. Should you choose this one? Now right click, say save image. Save image. Then I'm saving it under this place. Alright. What's the name? Safe AI generated, Abi. AI generated. I don't want AI generated. Let's just choose a better another picture. I think all are AI generated. Okay. AI wants to take everything from us. So now, okay, let's see this one too. Save image. AI generated too. Okay. Alright, so now let's go to Microsoft Word in our project. Let's go and insert it if you like it. Let me delete this one. I will undo. Let me delete it. I will undo. Now let me go to insert picture. Now let's see, use any one of them. They say insert. Look at it. Then text wrap it in front of text. Now if you like it, you can use it like that, yo. If you like, you can use it like that. Is it nice? So it may be nice in your own face. If you like, you can use it like that. But it's not professional. Hmm? It is not what? Professional. So what will I do? I will delete it. I will come to, are you learning at all? I will come here. I'll come to remove background. Then I will not say, I will not go and upload that picture. I'm not going to upload that picture. Download. I'll now upload it. Is this one we chose now, Abi? I will not say open. Then automatically it will remove the background for me. Then download it. Then it's still AI generated. I'm still downloading it under download files. Then now come to Microsoft Word. Very simple. Now click on insert picture. Then now go and choose it. Now insert it. Now, then when you insert, what do? You test trap. Always remember, always remember you test trap. Now is professional. Now is what? Professional. You can use it now. Can you see that? You see how clean it is to remove the background. Very clean. Now let me undo to replace it to put that one. I think I like that one than this one because of the way that one did like this. So undo, 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 undo. Alright. Now we are good to go now. Let's continue. But I want to do something at this place. I want to make this the color here to be different from the body color. So what will I do? I'll click on insert, then click on shapes, then choose rectangle. Then click on rectangle, drag the rectangle from the beginning to somewhere around there to the end there. Then when you are there, go to format, under format, go to shape fill. I want color yellow or dark yellow. That is orange, or dark yellow. Then line, say no line, you don't want the line. Then it has covered that all those things that we designed. Then go to bring to back. We continue clicking. Or you can click there. Or you can click there, this arrow, then say send to back. Send to back. Or you go there and say send behind text because there are tests there. Send behind text to bring them out. So you have that. So let me choose pure yellow for this thing and see how it will look like. There is that. So I made it different from the body because that is the head. Then now come here. Now begin to type. What is the question? Topic number 1, ovulation period. So I select it, Ctrl C, and I come here, Ctrl V, ovulation period. So that one, I will now say, I will now begin to type. The other is Z. I want it to be the head. Now come down. Let me make it capital letter so that you can know that it's Z. Shift F3, right? To make capital letter what? Shift F3. Shift F3. So not only to make capital letter, to change case. To change case from lowercase to uppercase to top case, sentence case, title case. You use Shift F3 to do that as shortcut. So now come down here. So ovulation period. So I cannot say this is the period. This is the period that women always have their conception moments when meet with men. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, continue typing. I don't want to waste time. You understand now? I don't want to begin to crack my brain to begin to extract stories according to the topic. Because you have to get fantastic stories that will entice the reader, that will capture the interest of the readers to read, to feel like this thing is educative, is interesting to read. You understand now? So now, because of our time, let me just say blah 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 blah. Yeah. Is the moment of blah 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 blah. Okay. So I say full stop. Blah 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 blah. I say full stop. Then I will now go to 2. Copy. Come here. Enter it twice. Ctrl V. Then what do you do to that one? I need it to be what? Uppercase. Shift what? F3. Can you see that? Then let me copy this one. Another note to me, but if I'm doing this because of teaching, or if you are to be real project, it must be the real topic and the real related to the topic, real content related to the topic. So let me say Ctrl V. I've done for that one. Then let me now come to after ovulation period, Ctrl C. Then come here, press enter key twice, Ctrl V. Then select it and say what? Shift F3. Are we there? Then I copy this, Ctrl C. Then I bring it down like this, Ctrl V. Are we there? It's running the last one. It's running the last one. Ctrl C. Then page down. If I want to see my down, I use what? Page down. Can you see that? Then Ctrl V. Oh, I made a mistake because of the way I copied. I selected it with this one, so you can correct it. How can you correct it? Select it, come to border, then say no border. Check it out. Enter key, Ctrl V. Oh, sorry, undo. I did not copy. I did not copy what I wanted to paste. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Are we there? Then this one, I want to make it capital letter. Shift F3 to make capital letter. Now, how will it look like a newsletter really? How will it look like a newsletter really? So do you know what you do? You know what you do? You now select everything like this. Select everything like this. First of all, go to line spacing. under line spacing, say remove the line spacing after. Now it's removed. Then now come to page layout, come to columns, choose 3. So everything will be related to 3. Then go to home, say justification, align justification, shortcut Ctrl J. So it's justified. Now, can you see that? Can you see that? That is newsletter. Let me reduce this. Why is the page long like this? The page is too long. I chose wrong page. It's not A4 I choose. This thing looks like legal. It looks like legal. Let me go and see the size. A4 now. Why is that long like that? Maybe something is wrong with the system, or the page is long. It does also be long like that. So now you can now select it, and begin to say Control Shift, greater that sign to increase. Okay, I think it should not be too big. It should not be too big. I think I'm okay with that. All right. Now, another thing is that some people may not know, may not be able to read and come back here and there. When they come here, they may not be able to read. They may be reading like this and jump to this place. They may be reading, and some people don't know how to read in columns. So what do? You can segment it. It's already segmented though. See now. But see, some people, especially the older ones, you should go and read. You should go and read and begin to jump to this other column. Instead of them to read it to the last column, to read it to this place, before they go up, that's how to read. Before you now go here and read, as you read here, read there, as you reach the last one, then you look at it, to continue from here. Do you understand now? That is how it's supposed to be. Am I communicating? Okay. So now, do you know what you do now? You will now you now select everything together. As you select everything together, you now go back to layout, then you go to column, you now go to more columns. Then say line in between and click on OK. Then it will give line in between. Can you see that? It will give line in between. So I think I did select everything. Maybe that is why. It's like I did select everything. Yeah, let me select from here and select it down to this place. Now go back to that place, then go to more columns, then say line in between. Okay, so let's see it now. Okay, why is it not appearing? I told you maybe something is wrong with this page. Something is wrong with the page. Let me cut it, Control X and move it. I want to go to another page. This one now, Control N. Now I'm now in another page now. Now let me set it up. Page layout, size, A4, portrait, narrow. Then let me paste it there. You see, something was wrong that time. See the remaining page here. So let me delete this page. So I have only one page now. Okay, it's even 3 pages. That means this one was merged. Let me do something about this one. Control Shift less than sign, so I can fit into one page only. I want it to fit into one page only. Less than sign. Now we have only one page. Can you see that now? Let me take it to 100%. Now, what do you think we need to do now? So let's apply the background back. Or the white background is okay. When this one is the edge, you can also make it white background. Do you get the point now? Or you do this. Or you do this. You go to design. You can choose. If I choose yellow will be all. If I choose this, will be all. So let's choose a letter. You understand that now? So then now, why is it okay? I think it's because of this here. Let me shift it. do this here. This one too. Okay. I'll do it now. Okay. So now, there's 6 spaces here, Abby. Let me select them and increase this one a bit. I don't shift greater than sign. So let's see if it that now you see so I can drag this one down. I can drag this one. Sorry. I can drag this ruler bar so that this one can enter. I can drag the ruler bar so that I can enter. That means it cannot contain that place. So let's just leave that one. Except we reduce it again. Let's reduce it by 1. Instead of control shift, I'll use control less than greater than sign. Greater than sign will increase, less than sign. So it's there now. Greater than sign will increase, less than sign will what? Sure, sorry now. Alright, are we there? Okay, now we are done. But what if you want to make this one special, all this headline? You can now begin to watch to apply different highlights. Then if the background is like that, you can use white for the background. Okay, let me just use something of this nature. So this one too. This one too. All the headlines. Okay. I'm ready to go. So this one, let me just say Control L. Any question? Any question? Excuse me, let me pick this card. Hello? Yeah. Hello? Okay, it's true. So I can upload there. I will test him now. Hello, are you listening to me? So I can upload there. Is the result with you there? Is the result with you there? So I can upload there where I will send the money to him. Okay. Can you see how the thing is sweet for you now? You make it inside before. No, battery low. We are done. Any question? Let's assume it's 2 pictures. You want to put one at the back. Okay. Let's assume it's 2 pictures. You now want to make the 2 pictures. That is a good question. What you do, you duplicate Control C, Control V. Now I have one here. So this one now you send it to back. Now well, I just use this one as a, okay. Let me go and import that one. Let me go and insert that one so that we don't have to insert. Okay. Sorry, let me attend to this one. Mr. Taufik, ẹ jẹ́ máa bá ṣe máa send ẹ̀ ń sìn mi ò tí ẹ wọ́n ẹ ti gbàgbé ní oyè kí ti send ẹ̀ ẹ máa bá ṣe máa send ẹ̀ ń sìn so mo ti fẹ́ ṣetán sí mo teach lọ́wọ́ ni mo ti fẹ́ ṣetán sí ẹ bá ṣe sódà máa lè concentrate láti send ẹ̀ sí yẹn ẹ ṣe gan. Okay, this one supposed to be at the middle. Control E. So this one will stay like this. Now let's go and import that other picture. That's a good question. Insert. So what happens? You see, it's a certain the page. What does it should do? No. Test trap. Whenever you insert picture to your project, it will scatter everything. Yes or no? You not test trap. So how do you test trap? Click on wrap test here. They say in front of text, it will bring those things back. It will bring them back. Then you cannot reduce the picture. Cannot reduce the picture. So according to his question, he said, what if it's two pictures? How will it be? Cannot reduce it and bring it down here. Now you see this picture now, it's at the front. Why? Because we inserted that one first. So if you are to put this one at the back, just come to this place and say send to back. See that now? On this one. Are we good to go? We're good to go, right? All right. So let's reduce the view to see the totality of what we have done so far. That is it. Any question? And you can do some design at the background. What do you do at the bottom? So you can just select the picture, rectangle, and drag at the bottom like this. At the bottom like this. Then go to color, shift in, apply the color of your choice. For instance, let me apply red, dark red. Then let me go to line and say no line. We did that. Huh? Any question? Let me make it blue. I think blue will fit that thing. Like this. See that? Alright, that is the end of the class. Any other question? Any question? Let me stop the video. We are done with this class now.